Hello friends, welcome to my channel Civil Engineering Notes, Changing the Way of Learning। स्वागत है आप सबका। अब हम बात करने जा रहे हैं सिविल इंजीनियरिंग सब्जेक्ट सॉइल मैकेनिक्स का पार्ट 11 लेके। यहाँ पे मैं सॉइल मैकेनिक्स का कुछ थ्योरी पार्ट डिस्कशन करूँगा जो आपका कोई भी कॉम्पिटिटिव टेक्निकल एग्ज़ाम में बहुत ही हेल्पफुल होगा। तो चलिए अभी स्टार्ट कर रहा हूँ। देखिए अभी फाउंडेशन का बारे में बात करूंगा। फाउंडेशन किसको कहता है, फाउंडेशन का टाइप्स, क्लासिफिकेशन एटसेट्रा। देखिए फाउंडेशन इज द लोअर पार्ट ऑफ ए स्ट्रक्चर। कोई भी स्ट्रक्चर का लोअर पार्ट, मिट्टी को काटिंग करने के बाद, सोइल को काटिंग करने के बाद फाउंडेशन स्टार्ट होता, which transmit loads to the ground। The various types of foundation are as follows: footing, combined footing, strip foundation, raft foundation, pile foundation, shallow and deep foundation। देखिए footing a portion of the foundation of a structure which transmit load directly to the soil is called footing। Combined footing, the combination of two or more footings joined together to form a small mat is called combined footing। combined footing को mat footing भी कहा जाता। strip foundations, the foundation whose length is considerably greater than its width। पकड़िए, ये एक फाउंडेशन है, इसका लेंथ मतलब हाइट, ये वाला पोर्शन ज़्यादा होता, ये विड्थ है, विड्थ से लेंथ ज़्यादा होता। इसको स्ट्रिप फाउंडेशन कहा जाता। रैफ्ट फाउंडेशन, द फाउंडेशन व्हिच सपोर्ट्स ए लार्ज नंबर ऑफ लोड्स ऑफ ए सिंगल यूनिट एंड कवर्स द होल लोडेड एरिया इवन मोर इज कॉल्ड रैफ्ट फाउंडेशन। पाइल फाउंडेशन, द फाउंडेशन which is provided in soils incapable to transmit the structural load to suitable stratum by inserting relatively slender structural elements is known as pile foundation। Shallow foundation and deep foundation, very important। The foundation whose depth is not more than its width is called shallow foundation। shallow foundation मतलब क्या, width बड़ा होता, depth छोटा होता, and foundation whose depth is many times more than its width is called deep foundation। उसके बाद देखिए bearing capacity of soil, the load or pressure developed under the foundation without introducing any damaging movement in the foundation and in the supporting structure is called bearing capacity of soil। It depends upon the grain size of soil, size and shape of footing। The bearing capacity of a soil increases with the increase in the area of the footing। The term bearing capacity is defined after attaching certain qualifying prefixes as discussed below। Ultimate bearing capacity, the total pressure at the base of the footing due to the weight of the structure, superstructure, self weight of the footing and weight of the earth fill if any, is called gross pressure intensity. The difference in intensities of the gross pressure due to the construction of the structure and the original overburden pressure is known as net pressure intensity. The minimum pressure intensity at the base of the foundation at which the soil falls in shear is called ultimate bearing capacity. Number 2, net ultimate bearing capacity. It is the minimum net pressure intensity at the base of the foundation at which the soil falls in shear. Net shape bearing capacity. Net shape bearing capacity. It is the net ultimate bearing capacity divided by the factor of safety. Shape bearing capacity. It is the maximum pressure which the soil can carry safely without any risk of shear failure. Allowable bearing capacity. It is the net loading intensity at which neither the soil falls in shear nor there is excessive settlement detrimental of the structure. So guys, it is much for today. अगर आप हमारा चैनल पे नया है तो चैनल को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। थैंक यू।